In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Zendesk macros. If you're using Zendesk to manage customer interactions, macros can be a powerful tool to streamline your processes. Exporting them, especially when you're reevaluating your workflows or sharing with your team, can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can do it seamlessly. First, start by heading over to the Zendesk Marketplace. For those of you who may not be familiar, the Zendesk Marketplace is essentially a hub for various apps and integrations that can extend the capabilities of your Zendesk environment. It's really user-friendly, allowing you to easily search for what you need. Here, you'll want to look for an app called Macro Export by Swiftech. This specific application is designed to facilitate the exportation of your macros with minimal hassle. Once you've found Swiftech's Macro Export app, go ahead and install it. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts given by the Zendesk Marketplace, and it should guide you through it with ease. The benefit of using this app is that it allows you to export all your macros in just one click. That's right. This includes not only the macros themselves, but also their metadata, actions, and any dynamic content associated with them. So, everything you need from your macros to make informed decisions or analyze data will be right there in the output file. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Macro Export app in your Zendesk environment. The intuitive design of this tool means you won't need any advanced technical skills to use it. When you're ready to export your macros, simply open the app, and you'll see a button or option for exporting. Click on it, and within moments, all your macros will be neatly compiled into a CSV file. This file format is particularly handy because it can be easily shared or opened in spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets, giving you flexibility in how you analyze and utilize your data. It's worth mentioning that exporting macros can be especially useful if you're considering making significant updates to your workflow or if you need to provide detailed reports for team collaborations. Having a comprehensive overview in the form of a CSV file ensures that you can review and refine your processes efficiently. And that's it. We've successfully gone through the process of exporting Zendesk macros using Swiftech's Macro Export app. With just a few clicks, you can have a complete export ready to go, making your task management in Zendesk that much more efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to leave your feedback or any additional questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.